super cool sports car, Leo. Did you win? Yeah, Leo's number 1. Oh, looks like Lucy doesn't agree. Aw, that's cheating. Wow, Lucy's so pretty in pink. What do you think, Mom and Dad? I guess they love the color too. Leo, Lucy doesn't like black. What's your idea, Lucy? What are we gonna color? All done! Jump in, Leo! Ready! Pink versus black car challenge! Lucy's leading! But not for long! Uh-oh! Watch out, Lucy! Oh no! Black paint! Uh-oh! Lucy's angry now! Looks like it's payback time! Pink paint cloud attack! And the winner is…
You crossed the finish line together!
Yeah, you're both winners! Black and pink together! Yippee! Road trip! No! Don't do that! Oh no! Super Cat's fallen!
No.
Look! He's hanging around!
Yeah.
Back we go! Reach high, Mom!
Yeah. Do not stick anything out of the car window.
Be good now, Leo! Oh, booming burp! Hey, Leo, don't litter! Yuck! So dirty!
Do not litter in the car!
Ah! Garbage gremlins! What should you do, Leo? No! You're gonna cause an accident!
Are you okay? Leo, you can't throw trash out of the window.
I'm sorry.
Leo, go and pick it up. Where does it go? That's right, the trash can. Oops, Leo needs the toilet. Ugh, quick, Dad, pull over.
I want to go to the toilet.
It's okay, Leo. Here's a potty.
Meow.
Go behind the bushes so no one sees.
Meow.
Where are you going?
Oh.
Ah, he's found a bush. Hongy poo. Don't be afraid. It's only a storm.
Don't worry, I'm the best driver in the world.
Whoa, a mud bath. Wish, wash, car wash. Yikes! What's happening?
The monster wants to eat us!
It's not a monster, it's a car wash. And it's fun.
Look! Bubbly, bouncy soap suds. The rollers are rocking it. Wow-wee!
We arrived.
Let the fun begin! Wow! Lucy and Leo are flying high. Go through them. Don't touch them. Lucy, do the challenges together. Watch out! You've got to dodge the rocks. There's so many. Look, a safety shield. Lucy's protected now. The rocks can't hurt her. Yikes! Leo, your airplane's broken. Quick, get the first aid kit. Yeah, you're safe. Careful, fly up and over the bricks. Oh, what's that? What does it do, Leo? Yuck, it drops poo bombs. Move, Lucy. Leo's dropping smelly poos. Bleh, stinky. Oh no, Lucy's trapped in a stink cloud. You're okay now. Open your eyes. Yikes, the airplane's out of control. No, the wings broke. Yeah, magic wings. They'll keep you safe. What's Leo seen? Wow, a golden airplane. Huh? What's up? Lucy beat you to it, Leo. Wow, Lucy, you've got the magic airplane. It does tricks and flies through anything. Aw, Leo, your airplane's cool too. Look, Leo, this'll make your airplane fast. You've got super speed now. Press the button. We have liftoff. Ah, are they storm clouds? Phew. Oh no, Leo's put Lucy in a spin. Watch out! Yikes, you've lost your power. Look for a shield. Help him, Lucy. No! Quick, Lucy! Phew! Great flying, Lucy! What is it? Ah! A big block wall! What an awesome game!
Sorry. Let's play again.
Can I play too? Ready? Let's go! Yippee! Aw, Lucky, what's wrong? Quick, Dad! We need to turn that frown around! Look, Lucky! Dad's so funny! Huh? Where is he? What? 3 dads? We need to find the copycats! 2 of you aren't Dad! Uh-oh! Bubbly tummy! Let's see which dad knows what to do! No, not a lolly! Yikes! It's Rotten Raccoon! Okay, your turn. Yes! Lucky might want a bottle. Oh, which one is Dad? Blech! Lucky's done a stinky poo. Real Dad is always prepared. You did it, Lucky! You found real Dad! Whee! Bounce and boing as high as you can! Oh no! Wrong way, Dad! Quick, Leo, help him! He's in the bushes! Can you see him? Here's our #1 dad! Huh? 2? 3 dads? Leo's got a plan! Yeah! Good idea, 'cause Dad's good at badminton! It's challenge time! Ready, Leo?
Yeah.
Looks like they all know how to play. Or maybe not. Go! Smash! Wow, good shot! The dads are so great! Whoa, where's it gonna land? Oops, headshot! Off goes the copycat! But we've still got 2 dads left. Which one is Dad? Ah, the roundabout. Dad likes spinning round. Time to take a spin, dads. Sit down and hold on. And push. Yikes! Too fast! Someone's dazed and dizzy. But this one's gonna barf. Ew, watch out! Yeah, we got #1 dad back. Yummy apples. Yikes, a bee. Lucy, look, go help Dad. Oh no, not again. Lucy, you've got to find the copycats. Think of a challenge, Lucy. Are they red hot chili peppers? They're gonna be hot, hot, hot. Take a bite, Dads. Sensible choice. Yikes! Fireball breath! You're next! Try another test, Lucy. Sunglasses? Why do you need those? Ah, our friend, Mr. Sunshine. He's gonna dazzle out the copycat. Shine bright like a diamond. You're not Dad. Flap those wings and fly away, demon. This Dad's perfect. Cool blocks, Lucy. Oh, hi, Leo. Someone's got too much energy. Leo, watch out for Lucy. Oh, Leo spotted a mouse. That's his favorite. Leo, don't spoil Lucy's game. Give it back. Look, Dad's here now.
Kids, wanna watch a movie?
Yeah, sounds perfect.
This movie is about safety rules.
Everyone ready? Oh, it's Rotten Rascal Raccoon. What's he up to? Up to no good, as usual. Why's he got fishy sticks? Don't open the door, kids. Do you know him? He's trying to tempt you. No, Leo. Never take candy from strangers. Stop, Leo. Yikes. Too late. Run. Hide. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Huh? I'm scared too, Leo.
What will you do if a stranger knocks at the door?
What'll you do, Leo?
Talk to him through the door.
No. What about you, Lucy? Dad's got a clue.
Call the police.
Yeah, show them, Dad. This is the magic number for whenever you're in danger. Back to stranger danger. Lucy, we've got to help Leo. Leo, catch! Get ready to laser zap him, Leo. Run, rascal, run! Quick, put on the lid. That's teamwork! Yippee! Now who should we call? You've got it! Come on, Dad. No time to eat. No, he's escaped! Donut do bad things, rascal. Phew! Safe at last. My sticks, yummy in my tummy.
Now you know what to do.
Yup, we call 911. And never open the door to strangers. Huh? Who's that? Ah, they've come in! Phew, it's Mom, and she's no stranger. Remember the rules, kids? Yeah! Wow! It's Barbie Girl Lucy! Leo, you've dirtied Lucy's new dress! Don't! You'll make it worse! Oh no! Lucy, don't cry! Leo knows how to fix it. Now it's a jungle dress. Nope. Think again, Leo. Why are we at the ostrich farm? Don't touch the feathers, Leo. Run, Leo! Quick! Faster! Phew! But where are the feathers? Yeah, you got them! I think you need to try again, Leo. Another plan? Huh? Toilet paper? Lucy's become a mummy! Lucy wants a pretty Barbie dress, Leo. Where are you taking her? I don't think this is gonna work. Oh, that looks cool. Watch out, kids! It's raining! That washed away that plan. Leo's full of ideas today. Haha, bubble blast! Wow, bubblicious! Oh, don't jump, Lucy, they'll pop. Oops, too late. I've got a plan. Let's phone Mom. Press for Magic Mom, Leo.
We need help!
Get ready for magic, kids! Bippity boppity boo! A Barbie dress, just for you! Yippee! Butterfly likes it too! Perfect! Yeah! Looks like Leo's the bus driver today. Whoa! Fast cars!
This bus is too slow!
No, Leo. The bus driver's being safe. Don't press it, Leo! Ah! It's transformed into a demon! No! Red means stop! Leo, that's not safe! You're scaring people! Now you have to wait! What are you doing? You're not allowed on the sidewalk! Leo's a demon driver! Watch out! Stop the bus, Leo! You're dangerous! Oh no! Mom's boxes! Driving like this causes accidents.
Full speed ahead!
Leo, going fast isn't cool! No, girls, you don't want this bus. Yikes! Are you okay? Wow, good job, Dad! Oh no! You better start again! Stop right now! Ah! Hold tight, Leo! Try to stop it, Leo!
Oh no! We broke the side mirror!
Police officer, can you help? Leo, pull the bus over!
Stop the bus immediately!
Demon bus isn't listening! What's wrong? Uh-oh, bus can't see anything! It's out of control! Leo, quickly, get out! Oh no, it won't open! Go away, demon! We want Angel Bus back! Phew! Police officers here! No more speedy races for you, Leo!
I'm sorry!
Obey traffic rules. And your car will obey you.
That's right! Yeah! Angel Bus is back!
Oh?
Yeah!
Well done, Leo. Safe drivers are the best. Yeah! Help! Fiery flames! Firefighter Lucky will stop you. Water blast time! Haha, you're not fast enough. Huh? Why is Rascal Raccoon here? Oh no! He's stealing colors! No! Fire engine's lost its rescue red! Lucky, look! Run! You can't stop the fire now! Yikes! A boo-boo! We need the rescue team! Nurse Lucy, can you help? Yeah! She knows what to do! Cream will clean your boo-boo! And a Band-Aid will fix you up! Watch out, kids! Raccoon's here! Oh no! He's taken yellow! Give them back! Not the green, too! Stop, thief! I'm gonna call 911! Quick, police officer Leo! He's getting away! No! He's taking the blue! Now we don't have a rescue team! Ah! He's losing control! Crash, bang, wallop! Now you need the rescue team!
Help me!
But you stole their colors! Blast those colors back, Leo! Zap! Zing! Leo, they're the wrong colors! Try it again! Yeah, you did it! Rescue team, Raccoon needs you! Phew! Just in time! Come on, Lucky! Aim and blast! Nurse Lucy to the rescue! Bend down lower! What do you say, Raccoon?
Thanks. And I'm sorry.
The rescue team are heroes!
That's why the rescue team is so important!
That's right! Yeah! Uh-oh, where are the kids?
Meow.
Ah, they're missing! Oh no, there's a bad guy! He's stealing the toys! Bad guy wants Lucky's robot!
Yeah. I've lost 2 little kids. Yeah, we will find them.
Search and rescue time! What's up, kids? Wow, a super car!
Hey! Hey!
Yikes! Go away, bad guy! Chicky! Lucky's in danger! Haha! Rotten raccoons hurt! Quick, kids! Run! Leave them alone! Oh no! He's chasing them! Good job, Lucky! Phew! Safe landing! Yikes! Watch out, kids!
Hey!
Don't let him grab you! Haha! You're too slow, Raccoon! Buzz off, bad guy! Quick, kids! Go find help! Oh Oh no! He's blocking the way! Someone help! Yeah, police officer's here!
Don't move! You're under arrest!
Get him, officer! Yippee! He's trapped!
Do not play in the mall without parents. If you get lost, always contact the police officers. Meow, meow. Thank you, officer.
Always follow the rules, kids!